inside a hollow shell. Life began, then was done, and now I stare into a cold and empty well. The many sounds that meet our ears, the sights our eyes behold, will open up our merging hearts and feed our empty souls. I believe when I fall in love with you, it'll be forever. I believe when I fall in love this time, it'll be forever. Without despair, we will share, and the joys of caring will not be replaced. What has been must never